Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to move the equipment from your 4G LTE service over to the new 5G service once you have been notified that your 5G service is live. This video is going to be for customers that use an outdoor unit that use their own router and are going to continue to use their own router. So this right here is a PoE. It's for the LTE service. And this is for one of the Ridgewave outdoor units. So it's a black billion PoE. There are going to be some that customers might have, which will be tan or brownish, and those are going to be for the green packet outdoor units. So this has a port here, which goes to the outdoor unit. And then this one right here is the data port that goes to your router. This is the new PoE for the Nokia outdoor unit for the 5G service. And so we're going to swap it from here over to here. So the first thing we're going to do is take this Ethernet cable that runs to your router. Okay, and we're going to pull it out, and then we're going to move it over to the new PoE, just like that. So it's in the LAN port there. And then the next step is going to be unplugging the PoE for the 4G service and plugging in the PoE for the 5G service. All right, and once you get that plugged in, you'll see a green power button here. And then the outdoor unit is going to start powering up. So again, this LAN port should run to your router here. And then this port right here goes to the outdoor unit, the new 5G outdoor unit. Give it a couple minutes before you should see internet because it does have to boot up. But let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.